friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, AR Sparks. Today we would be making silk thread earrings.
So let's get started.
We need a silk thread. You can take a silk thread of any color. Here we have taken orange color. Then we need a cardboard. You can take cardboard of any size. Here we have taken of approximately 30 centimeter. You can even use a drawing book or anything else. Now we will start taking rounds with the silk thread. You need to take approximately 15 to 16 rounds. It depends upon the size of your cardboard. We have taken 15 rounds. Now we will cut it. Cut it from one of the corners. Here we go. And now we will glue it from both ends. We have glued these two corners. We will take this base. Now we will take thread and glue it inside the base like this. Let it dry. Now take the thread and wrap it around the base.
Time to decorate.
Like this. Make sure the thread is tight enough. Now let's glue it. We will add some decorations. You can add decorations as per your choice. We are done. Now we will add this hook to this pin. To this pin we will add this pearl decoration. We have added the pin, ring and the pearl decoration. To this silk thread base we will put in the pin like this. Over the pin we will add this decoration, and over that we will add this. Time to add the hooks. We will bend this pin and then put this ring inside. So we have added hook to this pin. We are done. Hope you enjoyed our today's video.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to your favorite channel.
Thanks for watching.